Distributed solar proved to be the most environmentally friendly energy generation solution. There are already millions of solar PV systems installed worldwide. But how do we measure whether a photovoltaic system performs well? And how well? Availability is a critical metric for evaluating solar PV system performance, with technical and operational availability as key indicators on a scale from 0 to 100%. Availability can be calculated as time-weighted or energy-weighted value, providing different perspectives on solar systems' performance. Calculating availability indicators requires careful consideration due to technical complexity, and there are various mathematical methods to assess PV facility performance. This is particularly challenging in the residential and commercial solar segments. Availability indicators play a pivotal role in ensuring reliable and sustainable energy generation, enabling informed financial and operational decision-making. Soltell Systems provides real-time automatic assessment of operational availability for the distributed solar PV segment with the SysMap set of solutions. Availability indicators enable cross-scale and cross-type comparisons of PV systems on an intuitive percentage scale. This approach enables to accurately assess potential losses and their effect on investment feasibility. Soltell's solutions provide a comprehensive approach to assessing solar PV performance with a unique sensorless performance measurement technology to accurately measure availability, performance indices, and even the soiling ratio. Understanding and optimizing solar PV performance contributes to sustainable investments and reliable renewable energy generation. Soltell's solutions empower stakeholders to automate financial auditing and optimize the performance and reliability of renewable energy assets. By understanding distributed solar PV performance, stakeholders can better address the growing global demand for distributed clean power.